Counting from 1 to 10. First grade math students will be able to count and read numbers 1 to 10. Boys and girls, this lesson will help you to meet the Common Core Standards 1.9bt.1. Common Core Standards will help you, this unit will help you to count to 120. You'll be able to count to 120 starting at any number less than 120. So from all the way up from 1 to 120, you'll be able to count. You'll also be able to read and write numerals and represent a number of objects with a written numeral. Now, the first lesson we're going to learn today is how to count to 1 to 10. Boys and girls, here are some apples from 1 to 10. Help me count these apples. As I count the apple, I want you to repeat after me. Are you ready? If I say 1, I want you to say 1. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Hope you're counting, boys and girls. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, boys and girls. Let's try this again, but this time I would like for you to count along with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, boys and girls. You did an excellent job. Boys and girls, look how these apples look. You have one apple, so therefore you have the number 1 on it. That's just one apple. Well, let's look and see what happens when you get 2 apples. When you get 2 apples, let's look. Can you draw a circle around the 2 apples? 1, 2. Now we're at number 2, and we can draw a circle around 2 apples. Very good, boys and girls. Now let's try to draw a circle around 3 apples. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So we're going to draw a circle around 3 apples. Excellent. 1, 2, 3 apples. Can we draw a circle around 4 apples? Let's draw a circle around 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples. And let's see, that's 4 apples. Let's see here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. Very good. Now we're going to point to 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This makes 5 apples. How about 6 apples? There's a number 6. What do you think would be the 6 apples? Do you think these will be in the 6 apples? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. Very good. And if we wanted 7, Jonathan, do you want to do 7? Okay, with me, just draw your finger along with me on the screen. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. And take your finger and follow mine. And we're going to draw around all 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Are we going to do 8? Let's do 8. Okay, well, I kind of cross that out, didn't I? Let's get rid of that and let's do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do 8. 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 8 apples. Can we do 9? All right, we're going to do 9. 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 apples. And finally, what do you think 10 is going to do? We are going to end up circling around all of them. Very good. All of them are 10. And one more time, let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, boys and girls. Excellent. Now, real quick, look at these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the next slide that we're going to review, the next lesson, I want you to find the missing numbers. Can you count from 1 to 10? What numbers are missing? Here are some missing numbers. Can you tell me the numbers that are missing by counting from 1 to 10? Let's count. Let's look at these numbers. Can you say these numbers with me? 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are the only numbers that are here, but it says count from 1 to 10. Well, there are definitely some numbers missing. Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't see some numbers. Let's start with 1. What's next? You are correct. What do you think is missing? Because it goes straight to 3. 1, 3. Can you guess what's missing? Did you guess correctly? 1. If you guess, you are correct. Excellent. 2. 2 is the missing number. Let's see if we can move a little further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Whoa. 4, 6. What is missing? 4. Did you guess it yet? Say it with me. 4. What's missing? I can't hear you. Okay, let's see if you're correct. If you said 5, you got it. You are correct. Let's move on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's missing, boys and girls? What comes after 9? 9. Yay! 10. You are correct. Very good, boys and girls. Tomorrow when you come to class, I want you to be able to tell me what number comes after what number. I also want you to complete the next assignment, and I want you to be able to drag and drop each number on the apple in order. This is what I want you to do next. On the next slide, I want you to be able to drag, and here's an example. You're just going to drag. You're going to be able to drag the number. Well, we'll drag 10. And that's how you're going to do the next slide. Except I want you to take all of these numbers out of the bucket and drag it to the correct and put the numbers in order on the apple. Very good, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.